Well, hello friends, my name is Roger and welcome to Roger Talks Tech. So today I'm going to talk about how to use device frames in Camtasia 2019. So first off, what is a device frame? Well, a device frame is a visual effect that you can add to clips to give the impression that the clip is playing on a desktop, a laptop, or a mobile device screen. So this can really add an interesting touch to your videos and can make them look more professional. It also helps to add context to your videos, such as if you're recording an iPhone tutorial, why not have the video appear in an iPhone screen? So given that it's a visual effect, device frames are located in the Visual Effects tab here. And to add a visual effect, you simply drag the device frame effect to the clip that you want to apply it to. And the device frame effect is right here. So I have a little clip here of just me talking. Let me turn down the volume on that a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a device frame to this clip. So I'll click on device frame and drag it down to the clip. And once I release my mouse button, we see that the effect is applied to the clip immediately. So now it appears as though I'm speaking in a desktop monitor. Now, desktop monitor, the one we have here, is the default, by the way, and you can change this, however, from the properties panel. And if you don't see the properties panel, you can display it by tapping the Command 2 keystroke combination or Control 2 keystroke combination if using Windows. You can also just click the properties button right over here on the right side of the screen. So from the device frame panel, I'm going to click Google Pixel. And now the device frame has been changed to a Google Pixel device. And this time I'll choose iPhone. Now we have a white iPhone and a MacBook Pro. Now you can download additional device frames from TechSmith's Assets Library. To do so, you can just click the type drop-down list and click Download More. And this will open TechSmith's site in your default web browser. So then just click Device Frames here. And then you can choose the device frame you want to download. Now there are several free ones here. And the ones that don't have free are paid, which means that in order to download them, you need to be subscribed to the TechSmith's Assets service. So if you want to display only the free ones, you can click the price drop-down list here and then filter them by free. This way you only see the free ones. But let's close out of here. So I'm going to go back to Camtasia. Now, device frames in Camtasia fit in a 16:9 aspect ratio, which means they perfectly fill standard video dimensions like 1080p and 720p. Now, if your device frame doesn't immediately fill the entire canvas, what you can do is just pull the left and right edge of a clip until it snaps to the canvas. And there we go. This makes it so that the frame completely fills the video canvas. Now, you can also edit media in a device frame just as you would any other clip. So this means that you can split clips, copy and paste clips, increase the zoom level, etc. So let's add a custom animation to zoom in on this clip as an example. So I'm going to click here. And in the properties box, I'm going to scale this so it's about like this. Then I'm going to add a custom animation here. So I'll just drag that down to here. And with the custom animation, I want to scale it to fit. So if I move to the beginning of the clip and tap the space bar, we can see an animation applied to this clip. As we can see, when you add animation to a clip with a device frame, both the clip and the device frame animate together. So that is it for device frames in Camtasia, a fun and interesting effect that you can add to your videos. And if you liked this video, I'd really appreciate it if you click the like button below, as that really helps my channel out. And I will talk to you all in the next video. Roger and out.